YouTube. How you doing today? Just finished work. Time to go home, get some food in my belly, take a hot shower, because it is fucking cold. My phone says it's 32 degrees right now, and I'm inclined to believe it. It's fucking cold. Get my ass home. It is too cold for Steve right now. Well, too cold to really enjoy the ride. My lips are freezing because I can't have my visor closed. Not yet, anyway. There we go. Oh, that's cold. Oh. Goddamn. On top of it, it says it's 32, but it feels like 26 is what it says anyway. And I know people are looking at me like I'm fucking insane. Oh. Oh God, it's fucking cold. Anyway, here's a subject for tonight's vlog. Cell phones. Seriously, people, you need to fucking unplug. Your phone is not the be-all, end-all of communication. It is a convenience item. Look up from the damn thing for once. For fuck's sake. Seriously, people that are plugged into their phone 24/7 need to put that shit down, grab a book, go find a quiet spot in the park, and read for a couple hours. You would be surprised at what it'd do for your stress levels. Seriously, it's worth it. Do it. You'll love it. And when you get back, all those text messages, all those Facebook notifications, all those calls that you think you're going to miss will still be there. That's why they invented voicemail. That's why they invented text messaging. You don't have to respond 10 seconds after you get the message. That's all there is to it. Seriously, people, unplug. Get away from stress for a minute. You don't have to have it plugged into your ear 24/7. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, just unplug. Put your phone down. Put it down, grab a book. That's all there is to it. All this instant information is going to do is stress you out. I mean, look at Ebola. Ebola is not as bad as everybody thinks. Yes, it is fatal. Yes, it is a horrible disease. However, your likelihood of getting Ebola is lower than your likelihood of having sex with John Holmes, the porn star. It's that simple. You know when you should start worrying about Ebola? When you hear of a case in your city. And even then, your chances of getting it are pretty slim. Unless you regularly go around sticking your fingers in other people's bodily fluids, you don't have to worry about it. Unless you're doing something really weird with somebody's blood or other bodily fluids, you do not have to worry about Ebola. Being proactive about your protective measures is what you do. And on the subject of proactive about your protective measures, hand sanitizer. It is jellied rubbing alcohol. That's all it is. You'd get the same effect pouring whiskey over your hands. Or fingernail polish for that matter. Oh, it's fucking cold. But anyway, back on topic. Relax, unplug, put the phone down, take a walk in the woods where the cell phone signal doesn't reach if you can't put your phone down. Just do it. You'll thank me for it, people.
Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. Ride safe, my brothers. Ciao.